All right, we're gonna finish up by South Abyss, part 2, and mosey on. I got the trail mix, so past the 3-hour mark and no cramps, but taking it kind of like a push water today, you know? Oh shit. And it makes me feel. Alright, get the mojo back, baby. This ain't over yet, brother. Keep your foot on the fucking pedals. Come on, Weezer, help me. Mama. All right. Fuel up. This is the band. The band. Oh shit! I made a shit. Couple more tries, I made that motherfucker. That's fun though. Yeah, man. They even paved it a little better. Across Poussoirs. All right, that was fun. Next time, keep it cool.